We're headed into Costco for our November grocery haul. My very good helper today is Charity. So Charity, how was your Halloween?
Good.
Yeah? Did you have fun times?
Yes.
Did you have good food?
Yes.
What about candy?
Yes.
Yeah?
Marshmallows.
Yeah, you did marshmallows toasted over the fire?
Yes.
That's a good one. Good. And what did you dress up as?
A wolf.
A wolf. Good choice. Everybody's lining up still, so we're gonna go get our exercise walking around the parking lot of Costco.
We're moving. You're gonna get this?
No, I'm not gonna get it, but Costco has a really good deal on Instant Pots right now. It's this new gourmet duo. It's basically just a duo, I bet, with the pressure release button. But it's $59.99. That's a really good deal.
$59.99.
Yep. Haven't seen these before, but they look pretty good. We're gonna try one of those. See if they're as good as the Teton Valley ones. All right, let's get a bacon. These are on sale this week. I think we'll try one. See how they are. Lots of sausage, processed meat today, since we already have a lot of fresh meat in the freezer. There are those tortillas that you guys love for pizzas. Grab some of those. Maybe grab 2 packs, because you guys love them so much. I'll get one, you get one. Yeah, they are. All right, and then cheese sticks are up there. You want to go grab a cheese stick? All right, we got to go get frozen sausages for breakfast sandwiches. Well, these have changed. Wonder if it's just the package or if they're actually different. Let's see. Pork sausage. They used to be low fat. They said low fat sausage. I wonder if these are going to be as good. Uh-oh. All right, well, and they're more expensive too. I'm going to get 2. See how it goes. Cheese for the breakfast sandwiches. We're just doing a smaller half batch this time. We don't need the organic ones since we peel them.
How many?
Just one. Levi hasn't been obsessed with bananas recently.
Yeah, he's more like now banana.
Yeah, he likes other things every once in a while. Because it's the baking aisle?
Yes.
Yeah, you love baking. Ooh, I had applesauce on the list. We'll see if we can find it.
Can I see the list?
It's on my phone.
Oh.
I know. I didn't write it this week. There you go. Good job. You can buy bacon grease.
Ew.
That's crazy. I don't need to do that. I just saved the stuff from what bacon I cook. Yes. You get it out of there?
It's heavy.
So. I know I want one of these and I don't want to forget it over on that aisle. So we'll sneak through here and get it.
Is that loud?
Yes. I didn't break any rules. It's okay. Right, this one's good. This is the, strawberry.
Yes, strawberry jam. Can we get 2 out?
I think one's enough. Renee loves her honey. All right, we got to get some sandwich thins for the breakfast sandwiches.
How many?
I think 5.
That's 2.
Yeah.
3, 4. Can I get 2 more?
Sure.
29.
Oh, careful with that one.
89. 5.99.
I'll show you all the non-food items first. I decided to try this shampoo and conditioner that they had on sale this month. Haven't used it before, we'll see how it goes. Got some more of the body wash. Baking soda, I use this for cleaning and for baths and stuff, so I call it a non-food item even though we do use it for food some. And then Epsom salt. And then here is all the food. Start over here. I got a pack of bacon, big pack of organic pasta. Gonna try these little smokies. They look pretty good and they're cheaper than the Teton Valley ones, probably because they're not grass-fed, but we decided we'll give them a try. A couple packs of shredded cheese, or not shredded, sliced cheese for the breakfast sandwiches. I got this for my husband 2 years ago for Christmas and he loved it, so I grabbed another bottle of that for him. A bottle of raw honey, a pack of string cheese, bananas, 2 packs of the uncooked tortillas. The kids love using these to make pizzas with. They work really well for that, so I got 2 that'll last us, you know, the whole month. And then let's see, we decided to try these turkey sausage links because they were on sale this month. And then so I got 2 of these bags of the sausage patties for the breakfast sandwiches, and I mentioned when I picked them up that they were more expensive than the other ones, but they actually are a bigger bag. So well, I'll have to see how it works out and see if they taste similar, if they're the same thing just in a different package or what. We've got some organic light brown sugar, some organic strawberry jam, and some coconut aminos, and then I got 5 packs, wait, did I get, yeah, 5 packs of the sandwich thins for the breakfast sandwiches. So the total that I spent today at Costco was $246.73. We decided to run by Winco just to get a few things that we couldn't get at Costco or that we could get cheaper here at Winco. And so I'll show you what we are getting. I haven't gone through the check stand yet. Some green bananas to last us a while, 4 cucumbers, 6 bell peppers. They're a lot cheaper here than in the 6-pack at Costco. The kids love this peanut butter, so I got the Skippy Natural peanut butter. Half and half, heavy cream, 3 things of eggs. The eggs are cheaper here. They were out of flour at Costco. I was so bummed because it's the cheapest there. So I went ahead and got 2 5-pound bags here. And then last thing, a couple yogurts, lemon cream, and strawberry cream. That's what Charity picked out. So we spent $38.71 at Winco, and that still keeps us under $300 for our first of the month grocery shopping trip, which I think is pretty good. We got the groceries put away and decided it was such a beautiful day we had to head to the park. It's supposed to get up to 65 degrees today, so we got to take advantage of the sunshine because you know the rain is coming soon enough here in Portland. Are you gonna sleep in it? Oh, looks comfy. That's a little sleeping bunny?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like a dog.
Yeah.
Wake up!
Levi's asleep. You win? Good job. All right, so I just finished putting together the breakfast sandwiches, and I was mixed up when I told you about the sausage patties at the store. The package actually says that there are 24 patties in the bag, and the previous ones, there were 36. They're definitely different. I think they're fattier. They've got this fat on them, and they're a little bit smaller. I think they're a little thicker, but a little bit smaller. So I don't think they're going to be great. I'm not super happy about the change, because a lot of times when you have a fattier sausage, you have to fry it first to get a lot of the grease to render out. And if you just throw it in the microwave like this, you're going to have a soggy sandwich. So we're going to see how it goes. And if that is how it is, then I'll just have to fry the sausages in the morning before I put them back into the sandwich, which is a bummer. So anyways, the package says that there's fewer in here than the other bag, but then when I was putting them together, there ended up being 37 patties in one bag and 36 in the other. I think that, yeah, 36 in the other. So I got the same amount of sandwiches that I would have gotten with the previous bag, even though it says there's only 24 in the bag. And they were more expensive. I think the previous bags were $12 and some change, and these were $14.99. So not super thrilled about the change that Costco made there. Are you eating seeds?
Yeah.
Are they nummy?
Yeah.
Yeah, and did you get some cheese triangles too?
Yeah.
Are they so good? You need a sandwich?
Yeah.
Not yet, they're still frozen. Maybe you can have one for breakfast. Okay? Say okay.
Okay.
Oh, the truck's gonna eat some?
Yeah.
Okay. The truck gonna eat some cheese?
No. Oh no.
You better eat it.